All right, welcome back. It's been a quiet one actually. It's been a quiet one, and there is no way you could have taken any any trades based on this type of market momentum after the news announcement. Okay, let us just summarize here. The New Zealand dollar against the American dollar is trading within a range. This is the lower boundary of the range. This is the upper boundary of the range. At this particular level, you should not hit on your sell button. This is an area to search for buy opportunity, and this is an area to search for short opportunities. Okay, not much of reactions with that news announcement. Also, be careful. This might be a trap. It might be a trap for you to go short, then price just turn to the upside. The sterling pounds against the American dollar, well, you could just keep an eye on this candle here for next week. It's also a quiet price reaction on that news announcement. Also, not at a place you will want to go short. Avoid hitting on your sell button in the sterling pounds against the American dollar. The American dollar against the Japanese yen. Technically, this pair is supposed to be going down, but I think that should be happening. And also possibly before the market close for this week. At any rate, avoid hitting your buy button here, even though the market momentum for this news announcement isn't much. Australian dollar against the American dollar. Be careful as well going short. This is technically breakout, a pullback, a pattern. Price is most likely going to continue that push to the upside. Just avoid going short. The market momentum has been really bad for some weeks. Look at what has been going on in the Australian dollar against the American dollar for some weeks now. Look at that. Price has not been going anywhere. Whenever you're trading, it's important to always look into the very long term. But this month started on a good note, quite impressive start for this month. We hope that is going to continue, but so far that's what's been happening. And at this lower boundary of that range, be careful going short, because there is a likelihood that this range will continue. The American dollar against the Canadian dollar also ranging here. Okay, nothing really. Euro against the American dollar trapped between support and resistance. This is a whole support zone, long-term support. In fact, if you must take any trade here, avoid going short. This is the 1 hour resistance line. If price breaks above that level, then we are likely going to see more upside. If I were to be taking a trade, I would be looking for possible buy opportunities in the euro against the American dollar. But for now, price is trapped between support and resistance line, so try to avoid that. In the daily time frame, you could also keep an eye on this candle for next week. Okay, I think that is basically all. Be extremely careful. For me, I'm staying flat, avoiding the market for now. We'll be back to full-time trading next week. Okay, this week we just